Today, take a look at the VEVOR 600-pound hand truck. One thing I can say I appreciate about right now, we do got that solid tires on there, so we don't have to worry about inflating those. Everything does appear to be already assembled. We do have a strap, so if you need to better secure your cargo, we got that as an option. And we have a fold-out bottom plate. So if you need to pack this guy up, that is not going to be an issue. So right now we're at the minimum height, the handle in the center to the plate. We're looking at about 33 inches, but we do have these pegs right here. And with that, we can extend that up so that we're looking at about 47 inches from the plate. So very nice if you're a little taller, so that you don't have to bend down quite as far. Also good if you need to go up steps or something like that, so you don't have to lean down quite as far. We do have these guards on the sides, so we'll have a little more surface area for putting large boxes on here. You don't have to worry about them rolling off the side. And as you can see here, we can spin the tires when it is up, so we don't have to worry about this thing rolling away. I do appreciate that we got these handles on here, so we got a couple of different options for grabbing onto that thing. I think most of the time I would use it right there. But having these two grips on there, especially with those guards on the side so you're not cracking your knuckles on walls and stuff like that, that can come in handy. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, holds quite a bit of weight. Got all my stuff on there. Rolls nice and smooth. Overall, that is a nice little dolly.